Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I wanted to show you the way how to change the language that you use by the Siri on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just to open the settings, and right after that you just have to scrolling down until you found the Siri and search. And here in the boxes here there will be like any information settings that you can set. So there will be like language here on the front line, so you just need to go click them. The next thing you need to do is just go pick the language that you want to use. There will be in Arabic, Chinese, Dutch, English, so on and so on. So you just need to pick one of them. So let's say here you just need to go with the Korean, and then you just need to confirm that you want to change the language. And now you're done. So you already got the Korean. Even the voice is also already changed. So that is the way guys how to change the language of the Siri. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll let you see you for the next tutorial.